Wait till you're announced. We've not yet lost all our graces. The hounds will stay in chains. Look upon your greatness and she'll send the call out, 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 send the call out.
And now you have number 40, Nalukai.
Wag the tail, Nalu, yay! He's not wagging. Walk him around, there he goes.
You gotta enter him for best jumping skills too.
Maybe not.
All right. Number 40, let's bring back Nalukai.
Give mommy kisses! Mommy kisses!
All right, that was some kissing. That was serious kissing. We need a face washing now. Nalukai, you are too cute. Ready to jump in the water right now. Come on, get your noodle. You got it. Number 40. Woo. We can all jump in the water right now. All right, everyone. All right. Congratulations. That was awesome. Yay. Second place, number 4.
Call the ladies out, they're in their finery. 100 jewels on throats, 100 jewels between teeth. Now bring my boys in, their skin in craters like the moon. The moon we love like a brother, while he glows through the room. Dancing around the lies we tell, dancing around.